Art emphasize students amadi artist kayana makoi gi art sing haibadi painting amadi installation kaya Imphal Art College na sinliba taramapan suba annual art exhibition cum fair ingisingani kun mga da puthok-tuna miyamda miting tahalli. Hanjabam Shyamo Sarma Art Gallery da pangthokliba art exhibition cum fair asi jatliba tha sigi tang kun nipan dagi haukhiduna mathang thagi anida loishingadori. Hiram asigi matangda SKTV ki anchor JC dagi akhanaba paudam ama.
Satra artist amadi art enthusiast mayamna punduna mashi Imphal Art College ta tara mapan laksuba annual art exhibition pangthokli. Masida mayam puna changminaduna artist amadi satra singgi kari haithoi singdaba utpa habadu yeminarasi.
Akui exhibition si maru ina the annual function namane showcase tawne tata singe amba work mem se showcase tarakanda we let them expose to the whole wide world that we can our creativity is this much that we can do this much up to this level like you know sigi yam phamna there are some galleries coming up so exposure is there but in college level and in gallery system I think our college is the first one that we started showcasing all this work for the means for amateur artists I will say this is also a profession self sustenance ni even without a job a person who pursue this particular field can have a good life. Koi college ki infrastructure kya tabnina koi na sumana exhibition ka kya si held ngamde. Adu hojikti it's not a big hall but still then we got a hall and we turn it into exhibition hall. Now at least we can showcase some works. Festival si tabnina the crowd gathers more. So this is a plus point for us in exporting. Adu higher so better peace prevail in Manipur. Because without peace, we can't do anything. So that is all. And any other things is like, I would like to say that, see, foundation art, foundation ki work, taina horaga, agang foundation ki work, te horaga. Please, I will show you one work. This particular work got award. Okay. Okay, this particular work got award, and it is in foundation course never. See my foundation course see feel together because not only a coordinator I'm a teacher over here I'm head of painting department and then I'm taking the histories and everything okay okay what I'm teaching is not so bad after seeing the work because this is very rare that a foundation student do this type of work time changes a lot and then digital media also help a lot because if there is no digital media we world the internet the world gets smaller closer and they get ideas also from them so but what is done there in European countries or what is done there in America or what is done there in any part of the world if they can do it we can also do it that sort of things I get from this exhibition.
Art exhibition asida mahiroi singi haithoi sing deba utpada natana makhoi gi makhutna semja sajaba potlam sing haibadi bookmarks bracelets na chingba sing asi mayamda fanghanbagi khudong jab sing piri masina mahiroi sing innovative hoiba phampa kama kanbiduna mahiroi sing da senthok lai bada natana masa masabu entrepreneurship ama semjabagi khudong jab su piri.
Kogi ngasigi kenu art exhibition ja sida sida kogi anamana sida yoli jing jana mana kogi student jing loina ye ga khola ga adugumba la sadi adugumba ye ga khola samya ta ne ba aduga to to pasum mana canvas ka te te mem sim mem lei ba adu anamana sije koina adi student jing sa ga anam loina puso ko pone hanin sim
की लाइजे सेंगना हारगदी एंगोंदा चैलेंज ने अदि इमानबा मा अखोई कॉलेज ला आमरको अखोई आर्टिस्टिंग जे सेंगना हार कांददी येगनाबा लाइजिंग से यामबना थीमेटिक ओइने येको मतमदा अनटोल्ड स्टोरीज नत्रगना अनफोल्डिंग इमोशंस को मजे यामबना येगनेयेबा अदुदा माने हे उबो मतमदा अखोई लाइजे खितंग डार्कनेस ना हेनबगी नोई लाइसे केनो तौदे खोते हाइफेट ना यामना ग्लो लेबा चामिंग में यावदे हाबदा आइना सिगी लाइसे येपनेबको langden thinbaji na akogi tradition lomda pusalakpa matamjida ma masajida akogi non express oigiba na ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯦꯁꯀꯨꯂꯤꯟ ꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯥꯐꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯇꯤꯁꯐꯦꯛꯇꯔꯤ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯎꯠꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤꯒ ꯁꯥꯒꯣꯟꯅꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕ ꯂꯥꯡꯖꯦꯟ ꯊꯤꯟꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯐꯪꯖꯈꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯏꯇꯜꯁꯦ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯅ ꯊꯣꯟꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯅ ꯊꯣꯜꯂꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯟꯊꯨꯡꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯂꯩꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯉꯥꯏꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯉꯥꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗꯣ ꯎꯠꯂꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯄꯟꯊꯨꯡꯐꯝꯗꯨ ꯌꯧꯅꯕ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯍꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ
ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯌꯦꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯝꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯒꯦꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯒꯨꯔꯨ ꯅꯥꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯦꯠꯃꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯝꯅꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯁꯦꯅ ꯏꯕꯥꯅꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ
ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯂꯤꯕ 18ꯂꯛ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯑꯦꯅꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯕꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯩꯊꯣꯏ-ꯁꯤꯡꯊꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯀꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯏꯊꯤꯜ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯎꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯕꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯟꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯖꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯩꯊꯣꯏ-ꯁꯤꯡꯊꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯎꯠꯄꯒꯤ opportunity ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯐꯪꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯂꯛꯂꯤ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯔꯥ ꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯕꯤꯇꯜ ꯌꯥꯝꯕꯦꯝ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯖꯦꯁꯤꯊꯤꯌꯥꯝ SKTV ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ